Hello everybody, so a quick update on what's going on with my free Copier service. As you guys know, it's been free for everybody up until this point, but some changes have happened that's forcing me to not keep this as a free endeavor for everybody. Everybody that joins after a certain time. So I just actually put a notice up on my website. I'll be changing my free Copier service into a paid Copier service Monday, February 19th at 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm unsure of the price at this moment, but it will be competitive. My Copier will be free and continue to be free to anyone that finishes the steps below before Monday, February 19th at 12 a.m. I have honest reasons for this change that I hope you will understand. Okay, so the reasonings behind this is Trader's Way Commission. I've been in talk with them on the affiliate link that I've, a program that I've been a part of. So I've been referring individuals to my recommended broker, which is Trader's Way, and I've had a good experience with them. But this is my first time dealing with them when it comes to a commission-based relationship. And it's just not good enough at this point. It may change in the future, but right now it's going to make this whole service for me not sustainable. And so it's forcing me to have a paid Copier service, unfortunately, which is not something that I want to do, but it's something that I need to do. It's going to be competitive, guys. I'm trying to keep my prices under what you're being charged at my FX book and Signal Start and all those Simple Trader as well. There's a lot of fees involved in copying trades. And they can be pretty high. They can be anywhere from $50 to $100, and so I'm trying to stay under that to make this usable for even the people that are trading $1,000 or less. All right, so check out my website for more details on that. I'm sorry that I have to go paid, but for anybody that has been a part of the Signal service and is already set up, this will continue to be free for you indefinitely as long as I'm trading. And it will also be free to those that sign up with the instructions on the website before February 19th at 12 a.m. Okay, that's pretty much it, and just a quick update on went on last week. I received a profit of 1.5% just last week alone. So that's a pretty successful week, and up 4.67% for the month. Now, we still have about 2 weeks left of the month, and so I'm hoping to get as close to 10 to 15% as possible. I'm expecting probably around anywhere from 7 to 12% for the month. So we'll see what happens with that. So anybody that's interested in my signals, keep in mind that they will be paid signal service after February 19th at 12 a.m. But it will be competitive. Stay tuned for the price on that. And I'm sorry for the change, but it needs to be done. Have a good one, guys, and I'll give you more trade updates likely on Monday. Bye.